Hi, I'm Bob Loeffler with Fearless Agent Coaching and Training, and I want to just talk about a topic that all realtors need to worry about: time management, okay? So you've all been to time management seminars and all that kind of stuff, and they always say the secret to time management is to prioritize your schedule. So you should probably write that down, prioritize your schedule, because that is not the secret to time management, unless you put the word "don't" in front of it. Don't prioritize your schedule, schedule your priorities. What is your number one priority that makes you $400 an hour minimum if you use the words we give you at Fearless Agent? It's prospecting, right? So prospecting, when should I do it? Well, it's been scientifically proven that the best time, highest dollar per hour earning time to do prospecting on the telephone in real estate is between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. But here's what I know. In the afternoon, all your deals are in flames. You're in crisis mode. So you need to prospect from 9 a.m., which is the second most highest dollar per hour prospecting time, to 11 a.m. And then at 11 a.m., I don't care what you do after that, but you're probably going to take a break, get some coffee, return some phone calls. And then at noon, a Fearless Agent goes to lunch. A Fearless Agent doesn't take their phone in with them to lunch. You need a little me time, okay? So from noon till 2, you take a break in your day. You're already the highest producing agent in your office because you've done actual telephone prospecting from 9 to 11. And then you're going to go on errands, go to the dentist, get your, dry cleaning, laundry, go to Staples or whatever, get office supplies. And then think about this, you may be on an appointment at 9 p.m. at night finishing up on a listing. So 9 a.m. to 9 p.m., that's a pretty long day. You need a little break in the middle. I want you to schedule all of your appointments, listings, buyers, at either 2:30 in the afternoon or 7 p.m. at night. Okay, now here's why. Now think of the longest listing appointment in history with the lonely old person who likes to talk a lot, right? You never know when that 3-hour extravaganza is going to take place. And you never know which one of them is going to turn into that 3-hour listing appointment. Now it takes 2 hours to actually get a listing in one visit probably and sign everything up. So if I schedule an appointment at 4 in the afternoon, I can't do one at 2:30 and I can't do one at 7, and now I can only do one a day. By doing them at 2:30 and 7, now you can do 2 a day. You've actually doubled your income for the year because you have 2 at-bats every day, and some days you don't do any. So I hope that helps you out. If you're interested in any coaching or training opportunities that we have, go to fearlessagent.com. Maybe you're already there. Click on anything, call us, do a free coaching call with us. We'd love to help you become a Fearless Agent. Thanks.